friends, I am Sandy if you're new. Today's video is a little journaling and a giveaway. So I'm going to announce the giveaway here in just a couple minutes. I am blown away by the amazing support and growth of my channel, and I'm so humbled that you are choosing to watch my videos. I love what I make, and I feel so blessed to share that with you. And that is what this journal page is about. I want to capture the feelings I am having because of the love and support you are sending my way. And because I'm feeling the love and support, I'm so thankful for that. And I wanted to give back with more than just my videos. I wanted to do a giveaway. Now, I love Tim Holtz products, and so that is what this giveaway is going to be. And also, I am going to make a soft-sided, little small soft-sided journal that will also be a part of the giveaway. As I mentioned, the theme of this journal page is being thankful. I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for my love of crafting. I'm thankful for my grandchildren. Just had my second granddaughter born the other day. I'm thankful that I'm able to retire from my long career. And thankful for my family, my 2 daughters, my husband. And what I did was, this page is in the 3rd signature of this winter journal, and I thought this flower page would be a beautiful background for me capturing all the things that I'm thankful for. So I just typed up these words on the computer and printed them out on this beige colored paper, and I really like the kind of vintagey feel that it gives. And then I just inked around these pages, and I'm just gluing them down. And you know, I'm very thankful for my friends, all my local friends, as well as my virtual friends. It's been so fun getting to know you folks and folks over on Instagram. And then I have several friends from my company that live out of town, and just staying in touch with them. So the rules for the giveaway: so you must be 18 years or older, and you must be subscribed to my channel, and you must like this video. As a bonus, you can go over and follow my Instagram page, at Kentucky Crafter over on Instagram. And then also make sure that you leave a comment on this video. And you know, in the comment, tell me about one of your one of my videos that is one of your favorites, and why. Or what type of video would you like to see me make, and why. And that's it. Those are the rules. So 18 years and older, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then leave a comment below, you know, telling me about one of your favorite videos of mine and why, or a video you'd like to see me make and why. All right, so let me share with you what is in this giveaway. I like how that turned out. I like it. Okay, so first up, I'm just going to grab these at random. This is the Tim Holtz Ideology Hook Clasp, and there are 5 of them in this pack. And these are great to use on spine dangles. You can attach them to your books, the spine of your books. Next up, and this is one of my favorites, this is Field Notes. And this pack has, oh gosh, 134 pieces, and they're a little bit smaller scale, which I think is neat. And I'll just kind of hold this up here so you can get a look of all the different pieces in here. And this is one of my favorite packs. I really like this one. Well, I like them all, but you'll also get this pack of the Distress inks. So you get Kitsch Flamingo, what is that? Rustic Wilderness, Crackling Campfire, and Speckled Egg. Next, you get a set of these mini gears, and these are metal, and these are great to add onto your spine dangles, or you can use them in other crafts as well. I think those are really neat. You'll get this roll of collage paper, and this is the Typeset Composer. So you get all these really cool words, letters, and images. This is one of my favorites as well. I try to pick out things that I really, really like. This is layers, and on this set, get down here, how many pieces are in here? There's 75 pieces in this kit, and they're black and white, which I think is really neat, because you can either leave them black and white, or you can ink over them and add color to them, which is really neat. So here's a lot of the different images. So all kinds of different things. He's famous for his people, but you also have, cups and saucers and cars and clocks and all kinds of neat little things in there. Seashells, all kinds of stuff. And then this is another one of my favorites. This is called a Remnants, and there's 33 pieces in this one. And these are a nice weight of cardstock, and just all these different images that he and his team have curated. You have some postcards, bingo cards, just all kinds of fun little images that you can use to decorate your junk journal pages. Next up, another favorite is the book, ticket book. And you get, I think it's 10 pages of these really pretty ticket replicas. And they're on this, nice craft cardstock. But they're just, the detail of them, they're from, original tickets. So really neat. And different sizes. And they're all perforated, so they tear out very easily. Very neat. Neat. Really like that. And then this is another super fun one. These are these small talk prompts, and you get sheets in white, and you also get sheets in black, and it's a nice typeset font, and then they just peel off, and so you can cut them up if you are just looking, if you just want to use like good heart and not the whole phrase. So you can tear these up. So there's I think 4 of each in there, so that's a really great thing to have. And then here's another one of my favorites, is this layers, and it's the Botanical. And so you have all these just beautiful flowers and butterflies in here, and little kind of swag flower designs. They don't have a picture on the back, but they're gorgeous, just gorgeous. And you can ink around the edges if you don't like the white edge, but I use these all the time. Love them. And then this is another one of my favorites. This is the Worn Wallpaper and Scraps. So this one you get, there's 49 pieces in here. So you get 20 of the papers, and 29 of the die cuts. And again, this worn wallpaper, I mean, just look at that. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. And then, like I said, I also will make a small little journal, like a single signature soft covered journal as part of the giveaway. And these have just a really neat texture. I don't know if that picks up on the camera, but there's like a little crosshatch pattern on these. They're just so pretty. Really, really neat. And then the drawing, I am gonna do the drawing on April 2nd. And I believe that is a Saturday, and that I will be officially retired then. So I thought that would be fun to pick the winner after I retire. And I think I've covered everything, right? So the rules, you know the rules. I'll also put those down below. And as I haven't started the journal yet, but as I start the journal, I'll kind of show that to you all. But again, I'm just so thankful and feeling very blessed that I have all this wonderful support from all of you all, and just wanted to give back, you know. And so I thought this would be fun. I love Tim Holtz stuff, and so I've been kind of collecting these items over the last few weeks, and am excited to see which of you all might be the winner. So y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you have any questions about the giveaway, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.